Love is in the air. No, wait. Photography is in the air.
Please subscribe to my channel and turn on the bell icon to get notified whenever I am on YouTube. Thank you.
Hey guys, I'm Sonika. Welcome to my channel, which is all about photography, travel, vlogging, cameras, and I put out new photography tutorials every Wednesday for you guys. So if you want new photography tips and tricks from me every Wednesday, please subscribe to my channel and turn on the bell icon. And today I'm going to do a Valentine Day themed photo shoot at home because it is the week of love. It's going to be full of chocolates, hearts, teddy bears. Wait and watch.
Let us start with some food photography. I have these heart-shaped cutlets that I can use. I compose them like so. Very simple and Valentine-y. Another composition with some bread. I have these French fries that I have arranged in a heart shape again with some ketchup. Some tea and biscuits. Again a heart shape made with ketchup. Let me cut this roti in a heart shape. I have made these hearts at home using the cloth of an old t-shirt I had. Let me place them to make some backgrounds. Placing them along with a strip of cloth. With a teacup. Two teacups. With a happy Valentine's Day note. I have this gift box. It's just a matchbox that I have wrapped in this decorative paper and tied some red cloth like a ribbon to it. I've also made these small hearts. Just stuck some red paper over some cardboard. Let me click these. Hearts coming out of a cup. Hearts coming out of an envelope. Let me use a white background and a brown envelope this time. Just the little hearts background. The big and little hearts together. A cute squirrel holding a heart. So cute. I have this heart bouquet background that I have downloaded from Google. I'm gonna hold the heart in my hand and click against the bouquet background. Holding the heart and clicking a self-portrait. Another portrait.
So guys, I hope you like the love themed photo shoot I did at home. In case you did, show me the love by giving me a big thumbs up, leaving a comment down below about what you wanna watch next on my channel. Share this video with your friends and don't forget to hit the subscribe button. Also turn on the bell icon to be notified whenever I post new videos. And I want to wish you guys a very happy Valentine's Day too. Valentine's Day is not for lovers only. We can celebrate the love amongst us friends and family members too. And you guys are my virtual friends. So happy Valentine's Day to you too. And here is my previous photo shoot at home. Please go check it out, guys. Thank you so much for watching. Stay tuned for more such videos every Wednesday on my channel. Bye.